In our videos, we are always describing about the sequential circuits and combinational circuits. We use these terms sequential circuits and combinational circuits. So you have the doubt what is the sequential circuits and what are the combinational circuits. Either sequential or combinational circuits are the digital circuits which are useful for data processing, signal generation, and for the several operations. Simply, we divide the digital circuits in two categories. One is the sequential circuits, and another one is the combinational circuits. So, what is the major difference or major function of these two? That is our point. So, first of all, we are consider combinational circuits, right? The combinational circuits are pure connection agreement between the various digital elements within it. So let us consider this is the combinational circuit. In this combinational circuit, there are several digital elements or tiny, that means small digital components. So just how this design means how these digital elements are interconnected. Let us consider the internal digital elements. I am interconnected like that, right? And depending upon the function of this internal digital elements, the output function of the combinational circuit is depending. So let us consider this is the input. The input pass through the internal digital elements and then it generate the output actually. So there is no storage capacity and there is no remembering capacity of previous states. That means the present state and the previous states are generally we are using remembering the previous states in combinational circuits. Suppose what is a sequential circuit? Suppose let us consider this is the combinational circuit, right? And the combinational circuit we are going to be add the clock, clock, then it will be turned as a sequential circuit simply by adding the clock to the combinational circuit. It will be turned as a sequential circuit. So how this clock is manufactured means the clock is also manufactured with the help of the flip-flops. We know that the flip-flops is also used to store the data. Hence, sequential circuit as a storage capability and it will able to remember. Please remember this is the previous state, this is the current state. That means suppose 00 is the previous state. Suppose we are going to be adding this one, right? 01 is the current state. So here this is the first clock pulse. In the first clock pulse we are at 00, right? By adding this one in second clock pulse we come to the 01. So it is able to remember the states. But design of the combinational circuit is very easy, but design of the sequential circuit is a little bit difficult because here the input is given in combinational circuit directly get processed and generate the output. Hence combinational circuits work more faster than the sequential circuits. I hope you can understand the basic difference between the sequential and combinational circuits. Simply, once again I write that sequential circuit is the combination of the combinational circuit plus clock. So, by combining combinational circuits and clock, we are getting the sequential circuit. Okay, thank you.